Question number 1. Where was the Confederation of Indian Industry (CII) Partnership Summit 2024 held? Option A. New Delhi. Option B. Chennai. Option C. Hyderabad. Option D. Bhopal. Correct answer. Option A. New Delhi. Explanation. The 29th Confederation of Indian Industry Partnership Summit was held on 2-3 December 2024 in New Delhi. It brought together 61 countries, 30 global speakers, and 11 international ministers. The summit focused on building partnerships and promoting global cooperation for a sustainable future. It was organized by the Confederation of Indian Industry with support from Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The summit has been held annually since 1995. The previous summit in March 2023 saw participation from 67 countries, over 2,000 business delegates, and 400 international representatives. Question number 2. What is the name of the innovative water purification technology launched at the National Zoological Park, Delhi? Option A. Nano bubble technology. Option B. Flocculation. Option C. Electrodeionization. Option D. Ultra bubble technology. Correct answer. Option A. Nano bubble technology. Explanation. The Union Minister of State for Forest, Environment and Climate Change launched nano-bubble technology at Delhi's National Zoological Park. Nano-bubble technology uses ultra-small bubbles, 70 to 120 nanometers in size, to purify water. These bubbles stay suspended in water for months, enabling effective gas transfer and cleaning. They remove algae, digest biological waste, separate particles, and transfer oxygen efficiently. This technology is chemical-free, sustainable, and improves aquatic health. It benefits wastewater treatment, fermentation, and biological processes in various industries. Nano-bubble technology ensures cleaner water and healthier ecosystems. Question number 3. Netumbo Nandine-Ndaitwah has been elected as the first female president of which country? Option A. Cameroon. Option B. Malawi. Option C. Namibia. Option D. Botswana. Correct answer. Option C. Namibia. Explanation. Netumbo Nandine-Ndaitwah, Namibia's vice president, has been elected as the country's first female president, securing 57% of the votes. She defeated Panduleni Itula of IPC, who received 26%, and SWAPO continues its 34-year dominance. Nandine-Ndaitwah's victory ensures SWAPO retains power since Namibia's independence in 1990. She has held key roles, including foreign minister, and is seen as a unifying figure. SWAPO also won 51 out of 96 National Assembly seats. Namibia faces challenges like high unemployment and inequality, despite political stability. Question number 4. Which word has been selected as Oxford Word of the Year 2024? Option A. Brain rot. Option B. Dumpster. Option C. Heat dome. Option D. Neurospicy. Correct answer. Option A. Brain rot. Explanation. Oxford University Press named brain rot as the Oxford Word of the Year 2024. It describes cognitive decline caused by consuming trivial social media content. The term gained popularity amid trends like digital detox to counter mental fatigue. It reflects concerns about technology's impact on human thought and habits. Public voting chose brain rot over contenders like heat domes and neurospicy. Over 37,000 people participated in the voting, highlighting its cultural relevance. The term's casual tone appeals to younger audiences and raises awareness about mental health. Past winners include Goblin Mode 2022 and Climate Emergency 2019. Question number 5. Which organization was officially recognized as an awarding body by NCVET in the space sector? Option A. Antrix Corporation. Option B. Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center, in space. Option C. Defense Research and Development Organization. Option D. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Correct answer, Option B. Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center, in space. Explanation: National Council for Vocational Education and Training, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India, recognized in space as a dual awarding body to strengthen vocational education in the space sector. In space, under the Department of Space, promotes and enables space activities like satellite manufacturing and space services. The collaboration aligns in space training with global standards, supporting initiatives like Skill India Mission. 6 national occupational standards for space-related training were approved, covering areas like satellite manufacturing, orbital mechanics, and space propulsion. National Council for Vocational Education and Training ensures quality standards in vocational training, fostering a skilled workforce for industry demands.